Hi, this is Jim Ritchie. I'm CEO and co-founder of AEONrv. Welcome to our facility here in beautiful Reno, Nevada. AEONrv builds RVs that take you beyond our all-season electric cabin, off-road and off-grid, new and high-tech RV is made out of the most modern materials. It's all composites, and it's designed to take people to trailheads, to go skiing, and really have a great time with their family and friends. What allows us to build a great RV is our team. Our team is dedicated. We have a large engineering staff that helps with product design, as well as optimizing our manufacturing process. And we're gonna introduce you to the team in just a bit and let you know and get a little bit more intimate with everyone that makes it happen here at AEONrv. Thanks a lot, and I appreciate your time.
Hello, my name is Lars Severin, and I'm one of the founders of this company. Jim and I, we started this company 5 years ago, and I'm currently the CTO, and I do a little bit of different tasks here. I make sure everything is working smoothly. So, like I said, I'm also the IT. I told you to reboot. Come on. Like I said, I have many different roles. I'm doing the deliveries. I do the owner's manual. I noticed the cabinet guys need some help. It looks like the screw is not all the way in. I'm gonna help them. Hopefully they don't mind. All right, that's done. And I used to do all the service work too. Before we got to a service department. Oh, I noticed there's shiny here. It's missing, so I'm gonna do a little bit of that. There you go. Oh, that looks better. Nice job. Oh, also notice the floors are kind of dirty, so this is one of my main jobs. I'm doing the Zamboni. Notice my middle name is Gunnar, by the way, and I have my own plate. Okay, let's go.
My name's Nick Montelli. I've been working for AEONrv for about 2 years. I am a lead on the box build line, and how my team contributes to the AEONrv is we build the main structure of the RV, the box and the cabinetry, and we ensure that before it goes over to final assembly, where all the finished goods are put into the vehicle, we make sure that the quality is up to the standard that we expect and that our customers expect. And so that's what we do on this line here.
Hello, I'm Joshua Smeltz. I'm an RV Tech 3 lead here at AEONrv, and I lead the cabinet shop where we build all the cabinetry that goes into the AEONrv. So the way me and my team contribute to the AEONrv build is we take all these raw materials you see behind us, we cut them on our CNC and create the interior wall panels that you see here, as well as all the cabinetry that is assembled here and then installed into the AEONrv.
Hey there, I'm Nate Lovelady, the production manager for here at AEONrv. What I do is I manage the entire production line from box build to what you see behind us in the final assembly line, and also the end-of-line completions and finishes for customer options and deliveries as we get them staged for our customers. So this is our option area. We have two stations dedicated to customer options. What we do is once you buy a vehicle, you work with your salesperson and we're able to assign your specific wants and needs. For the example here, we have some LB6 Baja lights in amber color, tow hooks, and a van compass skid plate just to kind of dress up the front end and give you some utility. We also are doing air custom wraps from our Ultimate Frozen Gray color. We are looking to have options turn around relatively quickly for customers so that we can get those vehicles to you right away.
Hi, my name's Adrian Suarez.
Hello, my name is Arama Boitez.
We are quality control technicians. Our contribution to AEONrv is ensuring that you guys are getting the best possible quality ever. We do a 400-point inspection, top to bottom, inside and out, front to back, making sure that it's up to our standards, AEON standards, and your guys' standards.
Hi guys, my name is Jillian Shivery. I'm a manufacturing engineer here at AEONrv. What I do to contribute to the RV is I work with production, inventory, and drive projects to help make your rig the best that it can be.
Hi, My name is Sherry. I'm the purchasing manager at AEONrv. Let me take a minute to show you how I contribute to the manufacturing of the AEONrv. Follow me. All right, and I also work with our product control manager, Joaquin, to plan orders and get orders placed. And here we are at MPSG, one of our vendors. Vendor management is another part of my role here for AEONrv.
Hi, my name is Joaquin Garcia. I'm the production control manager. The way I contribute to building the AEONrv is by making sure production has the material they need when they need them. I also oversee the sub-assembly department. All the parts you see here, we assemble and they go into the AEONrv.
Hi, I'm Devika Maskey. I'm the marketing director here at AEONrv. And how I contribute to the company is I handle all things social media, website, and events. I'll probably see you at an upcoming expo.
Hi, my name is Mario De La Cruz, and I'm part of the marketing team at AEONrv. And how I contribute to the AEONrv is I help create content. So I'm a videographer and photographer, and I also go to events. So any event you guys go to, I'll be there. So feel free to say hi and stop by.
Hey everyone, my name is Anthony and I'm the mobile service tech and brand ambassador. I live full-time in one of these guys with my pup, Barrett. I do all the services on the road, host all the meetups, and attend all the expos, so hope to catch you on the road. See ya.
Well, good day everybody. My name's Kevin Goodnight. I'm the Director of Sales and Customer Success for AEONrv. What that really entails is the customer experience from the first time they touch us, first call, first email, all the way until they purchase an AEONrv, and then of course also afterwards supporting them with our customer service. Anyways, nice to meet you and hope you have a good day.
Oh, this is fun. I was always dreaming about running the Zamboni at the hockey games, and now finally I can do it. This is fun. I can see when the hockey players are coming out. Not until I'm done with this. Yeah.